Hello, welcome our gear research channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best juicer machine that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, Hamilton Beach Juicer Machine, Big Mouth. If you're not ready to spend more than $70 on a juicer but want to play around with juicing at home, this Hamilton Beach model is the one to get. It did a fair job in our tests, although sometimes the motor can make the whole machine jolt a little bit since it's made of plastic. An added benefit: it's dishwasher safe, so you don't have to spend all your time hand-washing the parts. A good juicer should extract the most juice from an ingredient without compromising taste. That means it should be able to draw out the flavor of the fruit or vegetable without pulp, fiber, or skins getting in the way. For dry and dense veggies like beets and kale, the juicer should blast through them without clogging. For wet and soft fruits like melon and berries, the pulp should hold together and not splatter everywhere. As for the final product, we prefer juices that have a translucent, uniform color without any unpleasant foam. From a user perspective, we're looking for a machine that's intuitive and quick to put together and take apart for easy cleaning. We're also looking at value. Will buying this machine save you money from going to the corner juice bar in the long run? As a centrifugal model, it can introduce quite a bit of pulp to your drink. Although this machine doesn't offer the most impressive juice yields, it does produce a high-quality glass of juice, particularly considering its price point. Number 2, Breville Juice Fountain Plus Juicer Machine. If you're put off by the word slow and want a sleek, speedy juicer that will suit the whole family, the Breville 800 JEXL Juice Fountain Elite is your best bet. It's the most expensive of the Breville models we tested, but for good reason. Its stainless steel interior construction means no stained or cracked plastic to deal with, and it yielded the most juice of any centrifugal model for almost every type of produce in our tests. Wet and juicy fruit like grapefruit and apple were no match for the Juice Fountain Elite, which spit out fresh, flavorful, pulp-free juice every time. Its large feed tube also reduced prep time for these kinds of produce. Greens provided a bigger challenge, as they do for all centrifugal models, and many leaves flew through the juicer untouched. If you're trying to make wheatgrass shots or get your daily green juice, you'd be better off with the Omega or another masticating model. Across the board, centrifugal juicers like the Breville also produce a lot of foam. This Breville is big and loud, but because of its size, speed, and proficiency with orange juice, it's the ideal juicer for families who have a lot of bellies to fill or who love to entertain, from Sunday brunch to cocktail parties. Just make sure you have the counter space or cabinet space to store it and patience to clean it when you're done. It's the ideal juicer for families who have a lot of bellies to fill or who love to entertain, from Sunday brunch to cocktail parties. Just make sure you have the counter space or cabinet space to store it and patience to clean it when you're done. Number 3, Aobosi Slow Masticating Juicer Machine, Cold Press. This triangular and wildly affordable horizontal masticating juicer from Abosi surprised us with generally high juice yield. It produced some of the most spinach juice and kale and apple juice of all the models and didn't tend to trap pulp around the odger like most other horizontal juicers. The pulp that did come out was often rather wet, however, indicating another kind of inefficiency. The main reason the Aobosi doesn't rank higher is its low build quality. Throughout testing, the lightweight juicer wobbled and almost fell over multiple times when I had to press down hard with the plunger. This required me to use my other hand to stabilize the base. Compared to the heavy Omega Nutrition Center, the Aobosi felt like a child's toy, and as a result I'm skeptical of its longevity. If you're desperate for a masticating juicer but can't shell out for other models, the Aobosi might be a good intro unit. Don't expect it to last you a lifetime. Number 4, Hamilton Beach Juicer Machine, Centrifugal Extractor. This fuss-free juicer is our top pick and the most affordable. It's easy to assemble, easy to use, fast, and makes smooth pulp-free juice. It's dishwasher safe, but it also comes with an innovative side cleaning tool for those who prefer to wash by hand. The tool wipes away pulp from the inside, outside and bottom of the cutting blade in one swipe, while protecting your fingers. While the juicer was a little loud in our lab tests, you can't go wrong for the price, speed and results. It beat the other juicers when it came to extracting kale juice, more than twice the amount produced by 3 of the competitors, although it also produced a thick layer of kale foam, which you should just scoop off. Taste-wise, the Omega had the overall smoothest tasting juices, with the most uniform color without any pulp. This one is much more affordable. We like that the juice cup is a pitcher with a lid because it can handle high volumes of liquid and be stored conveniently in the fridge. We also appreciated that the Breville has a wide feeding chute, resulting in less food prep and faster rendering times. Finally, the various parts that comprise the juicer are fairly easy to clean. Number 5. NutriBullet Juicer Pro Centrifugal Juicer Machine. As high-end juicers don't come cheap, this NutriBullet Juicer Pro is a much more affordable alternative to the juicers we've tested. Juicing felt easy and quick. While the yields weren't as impressive as the masticating models that we've tested, this juicer outperformed the other centrifugal models in the testing. Whether it was spinach, kale and apple, or grapefruit, the cups of juice it made were free of pulp, smooth, and delicious. The plunger is dual-sized, which is useful as it allows you to push down both large and small ingredients with ease. This one is also easy to clean. You can easily lift up the pulp basin and clean the components either in the sink or in the dishwasher, as they're dishwasher safe. The included brush is also very useful for getting rid of the residual pulp that's stuck on the sieve. It's loud, but you probably won't be dealing with the noise for too long, as its powerful motor can get. Like, comment and share. Please subscribe my channel. Check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.